guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I accomplished this set. This is actually one of my client's nails, and I decided to go ahead and get this one done on my nails. I already went ahead and prepped my nail, and I'm using the nail form to achieve this one. What I did, I started off with a medium-sized bead, and I just placed it not too close to the cuticle, but like maybe midway, and I would work my way down and ensure that I have the perfect almond shape at the end or at the tip of the nail to create that smile line for my black French. I place a second bead and I'm working my way in the reverse, working the bead in the reverse form and blending it in with the other acrylic that I had placed down. I'm just tucking in the acrylic to ensure that I have a very deep ledge so that I could place the black in well with it. Don't have to worry if you have a perfect finish, because in the end you will be using your hand file and filing the shape that you want. Once you are satisfied with the outcome, all you need to do is use the same nail form, and you start with the procedure by laying your black down. I'm using the black from Valentino product. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of black, but I was very happy with the outcome, with the finished product, I should say. And yeah. sometimes would have to tell my clients, you know, if you you pay attention to what I'm doing, you would be a little disappointed, because whenever I use these nail form, it doesn't, whenever I'm laying down the acrylic on the nail form, it's not a pretty sight, I could tell you that. And so what I would just say is trust the process, guys, because honestly this wasn't something perfect. Just by looking at what I'm doing here, it wasn't perfect. But after you file the nail, you would definitely see what it looks like in the end. Once you are satisfied, you can just remove the nail form. What I'm doing here is just pinching the nail so that I could get a C curve on the nail. Whenever I'm filing, my main focus would always be around the cuticle area, because I want the nail to be as flush as it can to the natural nail. I'm applying a very thin coat of the natural base on the acrylic, and then after I will be placing the top coat. The top coat and the natural base that I'm using, they're from Ugly Duckling products. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I absolutely love this set, and I actually still have this one black French nail on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see for my next upload or for my next video. Don't be afraid to share. Thanks for watching.